Alright, in this first scenario we have a couple of files, all in German, and we have them found in this folder, and we can show them all. They are of type txt text files. Let's take a look at one of them just to double check. Open it. Yes, it's in German. Let's go select a few of them, or why not, let's select them all to translate them all to English. The output folder will be here. Let's translate. Note that we're using a fast engine here. This one is from Liquid AI. When that's done, or even while still processing, you can see the translations. Maybe you'd like to see one in particular. This one was German initially, now should be in English. Let's see, yes, there it is. If you want 2 or 3 of them to compare them side by side, you can select them, open selected, and you'll get these files open simultaneously. In the next example, we will go to a folder with French files, showing the files. There they are, and we notice that there is also a subdirectory. We can select them all to translate. Target is still English, but this time we set the source to French. Ready? Yes, French, and translate. Show summaries is also interesting. If we created summaries, you have options here to summarize a particular document. For example, this file here. Summarize it. And since it's in French, let's keep that way. And summarize. Now, some models will be better at it than others, or faster. And there it is, saved. Show the summaries. There is one summary. Open it. For the next scenario, we have a bunch of files in different formats. We are looking for a file that contains a specific keyword or a name, such as Dave. We do see Dave here, but it may appear in more places too, so you might want to look for Dave here in Windows Explorer, but that's not always going to reveal the files. In fact, we can use the search mechanism right here, so we select that same folder with all these files and the subfolders as well, which contain more candidate files. We can search for a keyword, Dave. Let's not ask for case sensitive, and no need for extra details, the match matrix. Let's do it later. Search through all the files. We're now searching amongst 185 files for Dave, and 4 of them were matched. It may be a little challenging to find them amongst so many other files. If you scroll down, you might find them. Ah yes, there it is, a few highlighted ones. Maybe a better way to search is to tell it to only show the matched files. Only show those which found a match. This time we're going to look for a different term. Let's try Nicole. We want to also get a match matrix. Let's go. This time we're searching for Nicole. And now it shows only the files with occurrences of 1 or more of Nicole. There's also a match matrix. If I'm not interested in this one, it can be removed from the list. I'd like to actually preview this one, so preview it here. And see if we can find Nicole in that file. Yes, there she is. Another thing you can do is open the newly created match matrix. There it is. It shows each of those matched files and where it found Nicole or how many times. And then if you want to actually see it in there, click one of those files and you'll see down here the sentence that had the match. And another, all right. Of course we will want to translate all of these to English, so let's go back to our English translations like this. And this time maybe we'll choose a better model. or one that's perhaps a little bit slower. But better quality, let's go with Translate Gemma 4B, and translate these. While it's translating, you can already go and show completed translations. And if we want to preview one, yes, it's now in English. Okay, let's take a look at another scenario. In this folder we have files of many different types, and also in different languages. We can show them all, we may just have too many here, so maybe we don't want to translate them all, just the PDFs. Some Word documents files too, and some text files. Let's do it, let's go selectively, filtering for docx files. First clear everything, then enable docx files. Let's see what else, PDFs and text files, let's say we want just these. Alright, so we're going to select just these. Or we select them all. Not all files were selected, only the ones that are in this particular group. When you show them all, the others were not selected as expected. And now we have these files to translate, but they are in different languages. Some of them might be in Maltese, Korean, Turkish. What we'll do is simply let the system auto-detect the languages. Then we want it all translated to English. Now this time we might want to use a different model. Translate Gemma 4B is probably okay. And even if we miss the source language, it will likely still translate properly. The AI is powerful in that sense. So let's go and translate these. Final scenario. This time we know they are in English, and we want them all in other languages. Let's say we want them in Dutch, Dari, Czech and French. And why not, let's also go to Greek. And there you go. Now we have the first file getting translated to Czech. Then to Dari, then to Dutch, here it is, Czech, Dari, Dutch, French, Greek, next file. Czech, Dari, Dutch, French and Greek and so on. So let's say for example you have training material or a memo, some communication that is in one language, and you want to have it translated into several other languages, then that's one affordable and easy way to do it. With the batch translator of the local AI translator.